reigning Miss Bird of Paradise, and I am so honored to welcome you all to officially begin our second judging category, the Float Parade, where we will be choosing our Miss Traditional.
My province of Gal. It is nestled along the southwestern coastlines of Papua New Guinea.
My name is Ruth Natasha Elijah. I'm 22 years old and I proudly represent the beautiful Central Province as Miss Central Province 2025.
Hello, West. That's it.
My name is Naomi Koge. I'm a contestant number 3, representing the beautiful, vibrant province of Western Province.
My name is Lois Lavatul, and my bilas is from the Kokopo district of East Nibishan province. I will begin on my head. My headdress is, this is called a whoop, and the entire bilas in itself is called a tokatokway.
I shall now move on to explaining the beautiful attire that you see in front of you, starting with the grass cat. This, we call it gulkukul. It is grown in the swamps of Western Highlands Province. Moving on to the tanget, we call it puka. It is grown around the homes of our villages.
Representing the East Sepik Province, Hebilas is made up of different cultures from different districts.
My name is Velosa Hahembe. From the mountains to the bushes, to the mighty Sepik River, to the coast, I represent East Sepik Province.
The next part of my bilas that I will be sharing with you is the grass kit. It represents womanhood in Morobe. It is called the atimpo.
And this ring, it is worth 500 kina, and it is known as O. We use this for bride price and death ceremony. The cloth that covers my body, the tapa cloth, it is known as B.
Miss Enga is dressed in the traditional attire of her father's people, the Tinilapin tribe of Wabeg.
Adamando Geta. That means good afternoon in the language of the home of the Engamyoks.
On behalf of all the judges, I want to say thank you to Ruel Geta. Thank you to everybody as well. Thank you. And just also Anna and the team and all your helpers and volunteers. To put together something like this takes a lot of work, and today really reflects where we're going and also the amount of provinces that are involved as we go forward as well. So thank you again.
Miss Better Paradise is the next big thing in Papua New Guinea. Not just for today, but for the next 50 years and beyond. This pageant is more than beauty and talent. It is platform with purpose and a crown for service. In only 3 years, Miss Better Paradise has reorganized, rebranded, and risen to become the custodian of Miss PNG pageant.
Congratulations,
Miss
and silver pendant and necklace. Congratulations, Miss Western Islands